Hello. I'm just preparing to go to the clinic tomorrow. Uh, this is a video on the Elven homeworld, Kepler 160e. It is the origin of most of the Germanic race, the peoples of Germania. There are certain mythological writings that point to this, and it is so similar to Earth that it is logical to assume that our captors, our ancestors' captors, chose Earth because it was so similar in length of year, length of day and night, plus the fact they knew it had gold, they suspected it. So they needed slaves who would be super strong to mine the gold for them and bring it to them. Now, that's the extent of the mythological information. However, as far as traveling back to Kepler 160e and recolonizing it, it is approximately 3,000 light years away from Earth. Not an impossible goal if the length of our human lifespans are lengthened to 20,000 years, and we use gravity ships with cryonic systems installed so that we can spend at least half that time aboard the ship in cryonic suspension, roughly just a little over, or just under rather, 10,000 years. That we would make the journey, arrive there, be able to take advantage of the situation and colonize it gradually. More than likely, it would take an armada of 20 such ships to colonize Solar, or otherwise known as Kepler 160e. A little infection in my right eye. I gotta go check out my surgical wound tomorrow. I'm going to go ahead and hopefully have the patch removed, maybe replaced with a small bandage, where I had hip surgery done on my left hip. This was just an update of that and of the scientific possibility of us traveling to Kepler 160e, which is, let's see, somewhere in the constellation of the Harp, near the constellation of the Swan. If you're into astronomy, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's a very far away, so it's so dim in the telescopes, I don't think it can be seen. It has to be seen in space telescopes. In the next 2 years, we'll be able to get more information on it. That's all I have to say about that particular topic right now. I'm sure the planet has a moon and a weak magnetic field. Otherwise, we wouldn't have had any ancestors there to begin with at all. So, most likely, the core of the world is made of cobalt and iron. Other than that, I don't think there's that many minerals on the planet. There could be some gold, not very much. Remember, you have to think of it in a comparative analysis as far as quantity, comparative analysis of the minerals in the ground. So, although it's similar to Earth in length of year and days, the mantle and the crust are far thicker than Earth. So it has a very weak electromagnetic field. So in saying that, I leave off here, and we'll make more postings after my other surgeries and then after that, my postings will end. So, good day to you all, and don't forget, keep looking up.